Light combat aircraft are versatile military planes, primarily derived from light trainer aircraft, designed for multi-role operations. They are mainly deployed in low-intensity conflicts and are generally slower than larger fighter jets, with many limited to subsonic speeds. However, they excel in missions where bigger jets fall short, reaching battlefields more swiftly, quietly, and safely. Their composite airframes make them lightweight, enhancing maneuverability and agility during operations. Beyond training, these aircraft are used for short and long-range attack missions, intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and border patrol. Here are the top 10 light combat aircraft today. Chengdu J-10. The Chengdu J-10 is a medium-weight, single-engine, multi-role combat aircraft developed by Chengdu Aircraft Corporation. Designed primarily for air-to-air combat, it is also capable of executing strike missions. The aircraft features a delta wing and canard configuration, enhancing its agility and maneuverability. The J-10 has a single-seat cockpit equipped with advanced avionics, including 3 liquid crystal multifunction displays and a head-up display, improving pilot situational awareness. It also features an active electronically scanned array radar, providing early detection of enemy aircraft. Powered by a WS-10B turbofan engine, the J-10 reaches a top speed of 1,370 miles per hour and has a combat range of 340 miles. It carries both internal and external weaponry, including a Gryazev Shipunov GSH-23 cannon mounted beneath the portside intake, along with a variety of external munitions such as the KD-88 and PL-12 missiles. With a total weapons payload of 12,300 pounds, the J-10 is a formidable multi-role fighter. Currently in service with countries like Pakistan, the J-10 is undergoing upgrades for export, with the enhanced J-10C variant being introduced to additional international operators. A-29 Super Tucano. The A-29 Super Tucano is a Brazilian turboprop light attack and counterinsurgency aircraft developed by Embraer. Designed for cost-effective operations in low-threat environments, it carries a diverse range of weapons, including precision-guided munitions. The aircraft can be armed with 500-pound bombs, twin 50-caliber machine guns, and rockets, giving it a maximum takeoff weight of 11,905 pounds to effectively execute its missions. Powered by a 1,600 GP Pratt & Whitney Canada turboprop engine paired with a 5-bladed Hartzell propeller, the Super Tucano reaches a top speed of 367 miles per hour and boasts an impressive range of 1,740 miles. Known for its versatility, it excels in executing demanding missions under challenging conditions. The Super Tucano features a reinforced airframe to withstand higher G-loads, a strengthened landing gear for precise landings, and a night vision goggle-compatible glass cockpit, ensuring operational capability even in nighttime missions. HAL Tejas. The HAL Tejas is a single-engine delta-wing, multi-role combat aircraft developed by Hindustan Aeronautics, limited for the Indian Air Force and Navy. It holds the distinction of being the smallest and lightest supersonic combat aircraft in its class. Designed for versatility, the Tejas can seamlessly perform offensive air support, close combat, and ground attack missions. Its in-flight refueling system extends its operational range during missions. Capable of multiple roles, the Tejas excels in aerial interceptions, air-to-surface strikes, and anti-ship operations. Its tailless, compound delta-wing design, coupled with relaxed static stability, enhances maneuverability and agility. The aircraft's airframe is built from aluminum, lithium, and titanium alloys, along with carbon fiber composites, making it both lightweight and robust. The Tejas is equipped with a diverse arsenal, including short and long-range air-to-air missiles, unguided bombs, a 23mm twin-barrel GS-23 cannon, and anti-ship missiles. With a total weapon capacity of up to 11,684 pounds. Powered by a General Electric JN20 engine, it achieves a top speed of 1,380 miles per hour and boasts a ferry range of 1,864 miles. Yak-130. The Yak-130 is a subsonic, two-seat advanced jet trainer and light combat aircraft developed by Yakovlev and Ermaki. It is the world's first combat trainer with aerodynamic characteristics and subsonic flight performance comparable to more advanced combat aircraft. The aircraft is crewed by two pilots and features a fully digital glass cockpit, equipped with a 4-channel digital fly-by-wire system, a head-up display, and a helmet-mounted sighting system for precise navigation and targeting. It can carry a combat load of up to 6,600 pounds, including a mix of guided and unguided weapons, auxiliary fuel tanks, and electronic pods. Powered by twin Ivchenko Progress AI-222-2, 5 turbofan engines mounted under extended wing roots, the Yak-130 reaches a top speed of 708 miles per hour and has a range of 1,300 miles. To protect its engines from foreign objects when operating from unpaved runways or grass strips, the aircraft is equipped with intake blanking doors. With its high thrust-to-weight ratio and moderate wing loading, the Yak-130 offers excellent maneuverability and exceptional takeoff performance, making it an ideal platform for both advanced training and light combat missions. Leonardo M346. The M346 is a twin-engine, transonic two-seat jet trainer designed for advanced pilot training and light combat. Originally developed by Alenia Ermaki and later produced by Leonardo, it serves as a highly capable training platform while also being adaptable for combat roles. The aircraft features a tandem-seat cockpit equipped with cutting-edge avionics, a fly-by-wire control system with quadruple redundancy, and a modern human-machine interface, including head-up displays. Powered by two Honeywell F124 turbofan engines, the M346 achieves a top speed of 723 miles per hour and has a ferry range of 1,580 miles. The M346 can carry a diverse array of weaponry, including a Nexter 20mm M621 cannon, air-to-air missiles, anti-ship missiles, and air-to-surface missiles, with a total weapons load capacity of up to 6,600 pounds. While primarily a trainer, it is also designed for combat operations such as close air support, air patrol, and policing missions. Additionally, the aircraft features a pilot recovery activation system, which, when engaged, automatically restores the aircraft to a steady and level flight path. Textron Airland Scorpion. The Airland Scorpion is a subsonic, twin-engine light attack and reconnaissance jet developed by Textron Airland. Designed primarily for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions, it is also capable of performing light attack roles and has been acquired by multiple countries. The aircraft features a two-seat cockpit equipped with advanced avionics for enhanced situational awareness. It has 3 hardpoints on each wing, allowing it to carry up to 6,200 pounds of ordnance in various configurations to suit different mission requirements. Optimized for maritime and coastal patrol, as well as ISR operations, the Scorpion is equipped with high-definition ISR cameras, multispectral sensors, and onboard processing for precision targeting. Powered by 2 Honeywell TFE 731 turbofan engines, the Scorpion achieves a top speed of 520 miles per hour and has a ferry range of 2,500 miles. The engines are managed by a reliable digital control system, which also provides conditioned bleed air to the aircraft's pneumatic systems. With its electro-optical and infrared sensors, the Scorpion can effectively gather, process, and relay critical information while seamlessly integrating strike capabilities to ensure mission success. L-159 Alka. The L-159 Alka is a subsonic light combat and advanced trainer aircraft developed by Aero Vodachody, primarily used by the Czech Republic. It is available in two variants, the single-seat L-159A and the two-seat L-159B. Designed for versatility, the aircraft is equipped with a multi-mode Doppler Grifo-L radar for all-weather day and night operations and features a VS-2B ejection seat capable of safely ejecting the pilot even at zero altitude and zero speed. Powered by a Honeywell iTech F 124 GA100 turbofan engine, the L-159 Alka reaches a top speed of 600 miles per hour and has an operational range of 980 miles. Its advanced avionics suite includes the state-of-the-art Grifo-L radar, an FV3000 head-up display, two multi-function displays, dual Collins ARE 182 transceivers, and a GPS for precise navigation. The aircraft features 7 hardpoints, 6 under the wings and 1 under the fuselage, allowing it to carry a variety of weaponry, including unguided bombs, rocket pods, air-to-ground and air-to-air guided missiles, as well as specialized equipment for aerial reconnaissance or electronic warfare. With a maximum payload capacity of 5,158 pounds, the L-159 Alka is capable of performing air-to-air combat, reconnaissance, training missions, and electronic warfare operations. AT-6 Wolverine. The AT-6 Wolverine is a light attack and armed reconnaissance aircraft developed by Beechcraft. Designed for multi-mission versatility, it supports over 66 standard load configurations, along with non-standard asymmetric setups, making it one of the most adaptable aircraft in its class. Capable of performing a wide range of missions, it excels in manned intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, training, light precision attack, airborne interdiction, and internal defense operations. The Wolverine showcased its combat effectiveness during NATO's Ample Strike exercise in 2015, successfully completing 7 operational missions and 35 engagements. Built with a composite airframe, it features retractable tricycle landing gear and a tandem 2-seat cockpit under an enclosed canopy. The cockpit is equipped with advanced avionics and an onboard GPS for enhanced navigation. Powered by a Pratt & Whitney Canada PT-6A68D turboprop engine generating 1,600 GP, the aircraft reaches a top speed of 317 miles per hour and has an unrefueled range of 1,985 miles. The AT-6 Wolverine is armed with an extensive array of weapons, capable of carrying up to 4,110 pounds of munitions. It has proven its light attack capabilities and is fully compatible with US and NATO Joint Terminal Attack Controller systems. KA-FA-50 Golden Eagle. The FA-50 is a light combat aircraft developed by Korea Aerospace Industries for the Republic of Korea Air Force. Based on the KIT-50 Golden Eagle supersonic advanced trainer, this 2-seat fighter was designed to fulfill the light combat needs of air forces worldwide. The FA-50 features an advanced cockpit equipped with high-detection radar, color multifunction displays, digital engine instrumentation, and integrated upfront controls. It is capable of carrying a diverse array of munitions, including bombs, short-range air-to-air missiles, air-to-ground missiles, and CBU-105 sensor-fused weapons, with a total weapons load capacity of up to 1,000 pounds. Powered by a General Electric F 404 GE102 turbofan engine, the FA-50 reaches a top speed of 1,141 miles per hour and has an operational range of 1,150 miles. To enhance mission versatility, it can be outfitted with additional weaponry, such as a standard internal 20mm General Dynamics Gatling gun, unguided rocket pods, and precision-guided bombs. Originally developed for the Republic of Korea Air Force, the FA-50 is also in service with the Armed Forces of Indonesia, the Philippines, and Thailand. L-39NG. The L-39NG is a turbofan-powered military trainer and light combat aircraft developed by Czech manufacturer Aero Vodashody. Designed for both training and combat, it can accommodate various weapon systems, making it suitable for missions such as intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance operations and close air support. With its diverse payload capabilities, the L-39NG can execute reconnaissance and light attack missions, as well as air-to-air and air-to-ground operations, including border patrolling and engaging low and slow-flying targets. Compared to turboprop aircraft performing similar roles, the L-39NG offers greater flexibility and faster reaction times, providing a tactical advantage. This two-seat aircraft features an ergonomically designed cockpit equipped with the Genesis Aerosystems avionics suite, enhancing the pilot's situational awareness. Powered by a Williams FJ 44-4M turbofan engine, it reaches a top speed of 560 miles per hour and has a range of 1,610 miles, with an endurance of 4 hours and 30 minutes using internal fuel. The L-39NG is currently in service with several air forces, including those of Vietnam, the Czech Republic, and African nations such as Senegal and Nigeria.